"100 years ago, the pioneers pushed west. But here in these mountains, some of them stayed to farm the fertile land, to live well by axe and gun and plow. Now the land is no longer rich. The crop is smaller every year, but the people remain, hemmed in by the mountains, cut off from the changing world outside. The men who first broke the land planted corn. Today, corn is still the only crop.
I'm not trying to be mean or any of that. This is for your own good, and I'm not going to be traumatized because you want to be dumb.